Look at the desk top front. It is made by timber and white painted. You can look it close here. The painting is also nice and smooth. And this is the countertop desk. Very shiny. See the lighting. And now let's look at the desktop here. There's a hole so you can run the cables down directly here. And this is the drawer. It is made by solid wood and fit here, so that you can try lock it. Okay. And the runner is also very smooth. It's strong enough. I think you can use for at least 3 years. This is the cabinet. Have a look for the door. It is also made by solid wood. And this is the hinge.